So measuring results. Everything that we do is about measuring results, looking at performance, making decisions to change your campaign based on the performance that we see. What we're looking at is impression volume, the number of times your ad was shown, the clicks, the click-through rate, the average cost per click, the total spend in the account, the number of conversions, and the cost per conversion. So you can see in this particular campaign, July to August, the click-through rate improved significantly, which means that, that the impression volume is significantly lower, but the number of clicks did not change that drastically. The cost per click went up, but yet still the budget is lower, but we brought in more conversions. So overall, we saw a significant campaign improvement month over month. Right. Likely what would have happened here is that it was either a shift from the search network from the display network to the search network, and or we changed a match type of the keyword. On broad match, we see that the click-through rates are much lower, but by making the match more specific, either to phrase or exact match, we're weeding out a lot of the extraneous searches, the irrelevant searches, not letting our ads show for searches that don't have the right type of clientele, I guess, the right type of eyes looking at it. So. For those of you that aren't running pay-per-click campaigns, or even if you are and you're not utilizing match type, I certainly would recommend that you do. There's 3 different match types, well, and actually 4 now, that you can set in your campaign. You've got your broad match modified, your phrase match, and exact match. And you can define those within your pay-per-click campaign. And it's just a funnel of getting more and more specific. The exact match is that your ads will only appear on those exact terms that you've identified. So if your term is red shoe, then your ad will only appear for red shoe. It will not appear for red shoes. It will not appear for red in my shoe, or extraneous things like that. If you have phrase match though, then your ad could appear for red in my shoe because it's a phrase that has red shoe in it. Now, for broad match, if you have broad match red shoe, then your ad could appear for pink sneaker. If you don't want your red shoe ad to show up on pink sneaker, then you need to make sure that you're using phrase match or exact match. But broad match modified is kind of a mix between phrase match and broad match. And what you do is you set up a plus sign in front of, say, red, if you know that you want shoe to stay the same. But you're happy to advertise your shoe ad on red shoe, pink shoe, purple shoe, comfortable shoe, discount shoe. If it doesn't matter, that's when you use those broad match modifiers with the plus sign in front of it.